Hi and welcome to this very special video. It was our son's first birthday yesterday. His older sister, his cousin sister who is 9 years old, Rumaisa, who he is going to call Appy Juice on her demand, is helping us unbox a bunch of these gifts. I want to say thank you to all of our near and dear ones who took out the time to spend yesterday afternoon with us, especially what with it being the 31st of December, today in present tense is the 1st of January 2026. And of course, we haven't kept the covers that all of the family members have also given. Uska unboxing nahi ho raha hai, sab gifts ka unboxing ho raha hai. We really appreciate all of this. It's love and it's pouring towards our son, and we appreciate it so much. Raphael, our son, by the way, is upstairs at his nanny's house, his grandmom's house. And there was no way we would be able to have him in the video and also be able to go through all of the presents. So one Tufan male is enough to replace the other Tufan male. I'm a meanie for calling you a Tufan male, or for keep him in the video.
She's the OG Tufan male.
I know. She thinks I'm a meanie for not having him in this video, but there was no... I'm sorry, but there was no way I could have opened this without him ripping apart kiska label kya hai, kisne kya diya hai. We would never know if he was here. So let's not make this intro any longer.
Let's dive right into it.
Wait. Before we dive into it, I apologize in advance for any smart remarks that come out of this little one's mouth. She speaked into some of the gifts already and made some smart comments, which I will edit out. But she's only 9, so if you're someone who has given us these gifts, don't take it personally. She's just a witty one. A witty one.
And she's the mean one.
No, she's not mean. She's not a meanie, even though she keeps saying I'm a meanie. Let's dive right into the video. Hi, before we're actually starting with the video, I just want to put out the disclaimer that we're not trying to show off by showing off any of our son's birthday presents. That's a little bit of a given, but I find the need to say it because I don't want anything misinterpreted on the internet. This is just my way of documenting things that he can look back at when he's older, and I know that Wear Fam truly cares for and showers love on our son. So I just wanted to make you part of the celebrations and make you part of this little thing as well. Second thing, even though there's a lot of gifts incoming, there were 2 that I completely forgot to place in the living room to open at that time. Both of these were very much in the house and given to us at the time of filming this video. So before you go into the whole jhund and list of the gifts we're about to open, let's open these 2 that even I'm yet to kind of open, look at properly and share with you guys. And then you'll go to the rest of the gifts in the video. This is a very special one that I've already taken a peek into but forgot to open on camera. It was a quad set sent by my chacha in California who couldn't make it for Rafa's birthday. It is so cute. I actually had, when I peeked into this, I realized I could keep this as one of the option changes, outfit changes options for his birthday, because I was expecting for him to be a little bit messier with the cake and expecting for him to perhaps just need more changes. So if he had needed one more change, I would have probably put him in this. It is so cute. It's a Versace t-shirt with a matching pair of like bloomer like shorts. So cute. And can I tell you what the cutest part of this gift is? It is the bib. It's a Versace bib. Thank you so much to my Kadar Chachu and Razima Chachi for sending this across for him. It's so sweet, and I feel like it's the kind of gift that even when he outgrows, it'll just kind of be in his pile of memory clothes, because I do have like a little memory patty of like the first pair of clothes he came home in. This is his first designer outfit in that sense, so it'll go in that. I still have, like, my mom still has my memory patty as well, and Bhai's as well. Like, I still have my first birthday dress and, like, you know, like cute clothes that have stayed in our family and will continue to be there, hopefully. This second gift is also a very special one, also from America, coincidentally. My subscriber Richa, who is just so sweet, had a baby 10 days after me, 10 or 12 days after me, and her and I have become friends over a period of time, especially through our pregnancies together, back-to-back deliveries, and healing moms, really. And we've exchanged presents earlier as well, and now with Rafa's birthday as well, I guess. And I'm so grateful for whatever it is that's inside, because she said, I'm sending something small. Richa, this is clearly not small. I need to send you a ruler for what small is. I appreciate just the thought and gesture in itself. And she sent me a message saying, hey, here's the OTP for a part of the present. And I'm scared because now I'm like, is there more coming? Because like, I'm just one of those people who in any case gets awkward with gifts. And I'm like, oh my God, this is a really, really big gift. And to think that we've only met in person like once we've spent the day. It's in one of my vlogs, in fact, where for one of my blog anniversaries, she was there. And we spent the day with subscribers. Let me go ahead and open this up because I have no idea what's inside. Aww, you know, he likes this. She sent a bag full of Slurp Farm Melty Puffs, which is so sweet. I actually just introduced him to their cookies a couple of weeks ago. So this is a nice second product introduction to him from Slurp Farm. A lot of moms like it, huh? Like, I like that he likes the cookies. This is obviously not sponsored. But if you are a mom that is feeding your baby ready snacks, can you give me recommendations for things available in India in the comments? I would really appreciate that. I try to make as much as I can at home, but a few ready things here and there will make my life also easier, no? Oh my God, she did not. Stop it. Is this what yes, this is what I think it is. She sent him, oh my, how do I remove this? A rocking horsey, what's it called? Not rocking chair. Wow, I'm forgetting words. You know what it is? It's a rocking thingy for the baby to sit on. It's like the whole thing is in here to assemble. I don't even know what to say. Richa, thank you so much. This is so sweet and so thoughtful. And because our kids are literally like 10, 12 days apart, I feel like we know exactly what the other baby needs. So thank you for this. This is just really, really thoughtful and a very apt gift for a first birthday. Richa also sent a couple of other toys that she had ordered online for Raphael. All so sweet and so thoughtful. Okay, so I debated whether or not I want to insert this into the video, but I feel like I want to document all of the gifts. Raphael got the most special heirloom gold ring from his daddy's side, his great-great-grandfather's ring, and I left it on him only for like 2 minutes in the evening when they gave it to him because obviously I was worried he was going to lose it, but it is such a special present. Apart from which, I also landed up getting a present. Apart from what my parents gave Rafa, they also landed up gifting me this golden diamond ring. It's extra special because it is actually my father's wedding ring. I used to wear this in my 20s. My dad is someone who somehow, for some reason, never landed up wearing his wedding ring, and I used to wear it then, and I guess they wanted to pass it on to me. I'm so grateful to have gotten a gift for me on my son's first birthday, and that too such a special one. I love the idea of heirloom things, and jewelry is just such a beautiful present always. Thank you. Lots of thank yous in this video. So let me now let you go over to all of the rest of the unboxing. Okay, to start things off, we have the very first present, which is our little girl's present. She got this herself for her cousin, and it's in Harry Potter packaging. Okay, so not only do I love the fact that this is in Harry Potter packaging, she's made a handmade card that says, I hope your birthday is lit. You light up my life. And there's a candle with a toothpick on it. Romaisa, who gave you this idea?
You.
And she put a card on there from Spider-Man that says, from Romaisa to Raphael, you the best, bro. So cute. In typical Anam style, I'm going to hold on to the cards. You know, I hold on to all the cards that are special to me. So you will find this in my Raphael birthday peti even 20 years from now. Okay, you want to open the gift? Okay, open it.
I was right.
Oh, we've got a Raphael Ninja Turtle over here. Obviously, the joke being that I didn't even know there was a Ninja Turtle by the name of Raphael, and everyone else did.
That's what he's named after.
Stop saying that to people.
But it is true.
He's not named after. There just happens to be a Raphael Ninja
No,
Turtle.
he's named after a turtle.
You were wrong.
This is where
I was wrong.
Yeah, you said Harry Potter.
Yeah, he's a character from Harry Potter. He's an elf.
This is where I'm going to cue in the name reveal video, which was a very sweet whole meaning behind Raphael, etc., etc. Rumai Sharma, thank you. He's going to love playing with this babu.
You have to keep there.
have to keep it there?
Yes.
Okay, can I? Okay, next up,
This.
this. You've selected this.
No, I select this.
Okay, let's go for this. Next up over here, we've got Happy Birthday Raffy Daffy. We love you from Masi and Kabir. This is my very close friend Trisha and her son Kabir, who are very dear to not just me but also Rafa. Rafa loves his Trisha Masi so much. Should I just rip it?
Wow.
Oh, so sweet! It's a big snail with lots of little things to match shape and numbers with as well. It's such a cute gift, isn't it?
Mine is better.
ये competition लगाने वाली है हर एक gift के साथ.
She's
ना?
already.
Thrown herself.
Yeah.
We love it. Even though ma'am has decided otherwise, we love it. Rumaisa,
Yeah.
तू झगड़े कराएगी बेटा.
This next.
How come you didn't say this? This is the biggest one staring at us. Although I know,
He's also. She's already said that that's useless.
but she doesn't know what's inside.
She
I know
knows.
what's
I
inside.
know.
She knows.
How do you know?
You told me yesterday or day.
Oh, so we know what this is. This is a tricycle on the inside. Our very dear friend Omar wanted to get him his first tricycle and sent me a few options. And because he's so close, he's basically family. I mean, our child's uncle, he's going to call him Mamu. So it was one of those things where he was like, can you just choose which one's better and which one you think he will like? And we appreciate that because he's close enough for us to do that with. And so I know there's a tricycle, but can we open this if you don't mind? Because I do want to see it. I haven't seen it. Yeah? Do you want to help? Okay, then that one. Right. Jerry, do you want to help get your Mr. Big Muscles in?
Why?
Oh, you want me to? You're just sitting there to be a showpiece, are you? You're not
Yeah.
planning to help.
No.
Too easy.
Too easy?
Rip it. Rip it.
Yeah, why do I have to put tape and everything?
How is it going to get packed if there's no tape?
Just give it.
Just give it.
Yeah.
Don't gift wrap it. You were just making fun of one of the gifts that wasn't gift wrapped. Huh?
No, I said no.
Ah.
No, I said that it's not a kid, it's gift wrap.
We need the cutter. We need the cutter.
Simple dimple, I eat pimples.
Ew.
What? Simple dimple. What?
Hide pimple. I'm not going to
Also.
open more. Omar has offered to come and assemble
Yeah.
this himself. So thank you, Omar. It's the red one. I didn't know what color it was. I was confused between the two that we were discussing. And then I said,
Blue.
no, it's red. Oh, no. It's red. It's this side. My one simple requirement as a mom was that I want the parental handle at the back so that I can steer it in the direction I want. And he went for that. So I appreciate that. And I'm okay whether it's red or blue or grey or whatever. Doesn't matter. Thank you, Omar. Can you pick this ginormous thing up, Mr. Muscles? I sound
No,
like I'm
Rumaisa.
advertising for that Mr. Muscles dishwasher, but I'm not. Come here, Maishu. You said this bag next?
Yes.
Okay, I may know what's on the inside because this is from my cousin Ali who lives in Melbourne. We've got Disney Baby. Isn't this Simba? It's with a T there.
I
That's
had
so
this on
cute.
my right side.
You did?
But
I feel like we are building gradually a collection of little stuffed toys in this house, which I love personally.
And all of them seem to be only lions and cubs.
Yeah. Okay.
That's the best.
I have to agree. This is quite iconic. Snoop Dogg's. It's the ABC of Snoop Dogg. So he literally pulled it open and showed it to us yesterday while the lunch was on to Jerry and I. And I think it's such a cool gift. A is for ambition, driving Snoop Dogg's quest from humble beginnings to being the best. Like little raps, and there's like every letter has, you know, like a little couplet of
Wait.
sorts.
Wait.
What,
Does it
what,
have
what?
music?
Oh, if it had
Or
music, that would be
rhyming
iconic.
lullaby 100% unofficial. No, I don't think it has music.
No, but I feel like it's just such a good concept, such a cool
Yeah.
concept in itself.
This is so cool.
And then there's another book in here from Ali and Malaika. This
Wow.
gift was from both of them.
My
It,
gift's better.
you have to stop competing with other gifts. ये झगड़े कराएगी. It has a horn on it. It has a little steering wheel. I have to cut the tags for the steering wheel to move, and we've got.
Hey, this is Thomas the Train.
Yes, let's go,
It's very
Thomas.
creepy.
Why is Thomas creepy? Why is Thomas creepy?
Because he has eyes.
He's eyes, so he's creepy. I have eyes. Am I?
What train has... Yeah, exactly.
Wow, he has lots of noises. He's gonna love this. He's 1 year old. He will like it, but so it's a great gift. Thank you, Ali and Malaika. Okay.
Okay, what's next?
Um,
Rumaisa.
This? Okay. Who is this from? That's such a cute bag. Can I just say? It's you've already peeked inside everything, huh, Shani? Hey, this was from you, no? But Christmas for next year. Somebody put it in the random bag. Okay. We've got two gifts in here. Oh, I know who this is from. This is from Imtiaz Chachu and Nasreen Chachi and
I don't know
Saki.
what it is.
Okay. Can we not ruin everything because you know? Hello?
You said it in
Yeah, I know because he called to ask me. I'll ruin it for them. Let's open it and then tell them, Rumaisa. Otherwise, you're like,
should have done blue that.
why?
Pink is terrible.
Pink is terrible? But
Your
it's
papa's
okay.
wearing pink in the video.
What if he likes pink when he grows up?
Then I'll make him like blue also.
She just doesn't like pink. She doesn't like anything pink. My shoe,
But your papa's wearing pink. Is your papa also terrible?
they are. Oh, baby mojris, chappal.
Kolhapuris.
Like they're open mojris. Yeah, Kolhapuris. You're right. That is so sweet
Is it gonna fit?
and so
I
cute.
thought it said 6.
They should fit. Yeah, they look like they should fit. So this is from my Imtiaz Chachu, and he basically did call to ask, hey, did the shoes fit? And I was like, oh, I haven't opened the presents yet. So we knew they were like footwear of some kind, but I wasn't expecting this. So this is really sweet. He just said
You said
jute. No, he said jute.
You said
I didn't say chappal. I just said jutes. I only didn't know. All right. And then there's some clothes too.
After this, I open that one.
Okay, can we look at the kurtas that he's given with that, if you don't mind? We've got a baby size black kurta over here. Then we've got, a really pretty onion pink one as well. Hey, Rumaisa, pink is not bad.
Blue bag.
Okay. Alright. And then we've got a grey one with sequins on it, and it's got a matching, it's that bandgala style.
It will be so itchy. I hate stuff with sequins.
And it's got matching pants. This is
All of this
adorable.
goes very well with the Kolhapuris.
Yes, thank you so much. And is it,
The pajamas
you want to
are
open?
there.
Okay, and this gift is from, there's more pajamas. Missed that, sorry.
Chaklain bar.
Saki Mamu, open it? You want to open it, no?
I
More pajamas. Everything has matching pajamas.
Yeah.
Oh,
Oh, more kurtas.
kurta pajamas like what Papa wears at night or when you wear for namaz. That is so adorable. There's a classic white set. When Jerry wears white kurta pajamas, I always tell him how handsome he looks. I love you in kurta pajamas. And another classic black one.
you have something similar.
Yeah, same one Bhayu has.
Similar.
With again matching
Then they can
pajamas.
twin.
Thank you so much, Saki. These are adorable. I feel like everything over here goes with the Kolhapuri, so I'm very
Yeah.
happy. So he has, although our child is currently detesting anything on his feet, but we are trying our best. But it's okay. Not
No.
everybody doesn't know which gift
Which
he
one?
has, so it's okay for somebody to.
That one.
Did you say that one?
Yes.
I think that and that both are from Karina. Dear Raphael, go run the world. Happy birthday. Love, Karishma. You can open it. I'm pretty sure that's from her as well. Yeah, it says Karishma.
Ramen noodles.
Rumaisa. Any dabba that is in a language that looks Asian and you don't understand is not ramen noodles, beta. Oh God.
What's that?
I'm gonna have to edit so much in this video. It says shoes, so I'm gonna say shoes.
Shoes.
Copycat.
What copycat? Who copycat?
I said in my mind shoes.
So you said in your mind shoes, so I copied you
Karishma copied Rumaisa.
because she just guessed in her
Yeah.
mind. I don't know where this video is going. Kind of glad I didn't put a mic on her right now.
No, ramen noodles would have been way better.
These are so beautiful.
Like it was better.
She's got Rafa these adorable little colorful kicks All I hope and pray for is that they are his size.
Yeah, they fit him.
She's super close to me, so I know I can ask her to have the size exchanged if not, because A, he has slightly wider feet than children his size. So even though his vertical like size is the same, they're wider, so he has to size up.
Yeah.
B, currently though he has a lot of shoes and he's not willing to wear any. So I don't know where we are going with footwear in. Okay, there's one more in this bag from Curry. You want to open this? You haven't opened anything. She opened the last one.
No, so I want her to open.
Ramen noodles,
You can't keep guessing the same thing before opening.
panda noodles, light silicone.
Aww.
Ooh.
Cute. Thank you, Curry. And also she sent
The playmat.
play mat as well, which is really thoughtful because you know kids love play mats. So thank you for sending. I'm so used to saying thank you for sending with PR, not thank you for sending, thank you for giving. She didn't
Yes.
send it, she got it.
Thank you for this, Curry.
That? Now you want to open that next? Okay. Let's go. This is from Namra. Namo. Okay. You want to open one and Jerry uncle can open one? Can I just say this gift wrapper is so cute. It's like all animal themed and adorable.
Let's see who opens it first. I win.
Okay.
I win.
Had the same thing.
Okay, so here we have
This one.
my first play box. I don't know what a play box is. Oh, it's like a busy box, like a busy book. Oh, that's so cool because he doesn't have one. That's perfect. So we've got sound flashcards and board, book, body parts, shape sorting, animal matching.
Body parts?
Yeah, like they tell you what is what animal.
Oh,
Not like body.
correct, Namra.
And what's
I
here?
have this one.
Oh, the laptop that babies have. He doesn't have one of these. So that's
I have
quite.
the blue one.
You still have it? You had it. Now you have real shit. You big girl. Okay, and we've got a little laptop over here. That is so sweet. Thank you, Namo.
Awesome. So finally, you let go of your laptop.
I hope so. You want to open this next? Okay, there's no name on the card over here. So I'm hoping there's a name on the inside. Dear Rafa, you are special, you are loved, and you are the cutest. Love, Shagun Auntie and Arif Chachu. So sweet.
Arif Chachu?
Arif Chacha. Yeah.
Arish.
Arish Chacha. I have an Arif Chacha, so I'm saying Arif Chachu. Sorry. Arish Chachu. My Chachu, Khalid's dad, is Arif. So I just, sorry, got confused. Why don't you open this?
Any guesses?
Bus.
No.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I,
No.
shoes. Noodles.
Adidas. Jerry, Adidas.
Yes.
Eh,
Adidas.
Adidas are extra special to Jerry because he worked on the launch of Adidas in India.
Originals. Yeah.
Originals in India. And
I guess.
you guessed
He's got
Sambas.
sambas.
It is Sambas.
I know, he's got sambas.
Oh, I thought you said he's not Sam.
Same one as Mama.
He's gonna twin with his Mami Jan. These are so cute.
Yeah, but they're not gonna fit
It's
him.
okay. He did tell you that whatever's
Yeah,
in the
you
box
can-
can be changed for
yeah.
size. We just didn't know what it was.
Yeah.
Oh.
It's for sambas.
Thank you, Arish. Thank you, Shagun. Which one? Okay, so this is a very special gift, and this is a box full of them. So it's not one, it's a lot of them. This is from Rachita. Rachita is the lovely, lovely girl who put together all of the decor for Raphael's first birthday. She's the founder of Purple Bow Events, and she put everything together for us. And she showed up very sweetly with a gift, which I tried to refuse, but she was very insistent. It was lovely working with her, so I'm going to give her a shout out over here too. Let's go ahead and see what's inside. Do you want
Yeah.
to just get into some of the gifts? कि सिर्फ बैठे ही रहना है?
Better रहना.
Come, Rumaisa. It's you and me against the world. Okay, first things first. Oh, what, is that a shark school bag? Like a bag, like a backpack. That is so cute.
It's a what?
It's a shark. Look at the front.
Ooh, yeah.
Like a shark bag. That is so cute.
No, I don't think this is a shark.
It's a shark. Look at the front.
Yeah, but it's also got a nose.
I mean, sharks have noses. They're not Voldemort.
I like it.
It's cute. Then we've
It's
got
very cute.
a xylophone. Candy colors, clear sound, music learning, and lovely design. That is very sweet. We've got an alphabet fold out book over here from A to Z. That is again really sweet, thoughtful gifts. What's that?
I don't know, pirate ship boat.
Oh, yeah, you're right. It's a ship boat. That's a tugboat, 6 months and up. I think it goes in like water for bath time. That is really cute.
Mickey Mouse.
Mickey Mouse. We've got a romper going on over here. That is so sweet. And then we've got another t-shirt, like a night suit set, I think. This is Goofy all over it. That is so cute. Goofy and Mickey and Donald. And it's got matching pants, obviously. And then we've got another this romper is so cute. With a lion and buses and koala bears. Thank you so much, Rachita. Not only did she like just bring such a sweet gift box, but I think she did a really
Yeah.
fab job with the event. Everyone told us yesterday at the party that the decor looked so lovely and the detailing was superb. So yeah, just wanna say big fat thank you for that. Ye kisse hai? Any guesses? You peeked inside everything. How do you not know?
This I am peeking on.
But there's no tag, so we don't know who it's from.
It is
Maybe
from
it's
an
inside.
alien.
It's from an alien.
Yeah.
Alien came yesterday to Rafa's birthday. It's clothes. I don't know who to thank then.
Thank someone.
Okay, so we've got a couple of full sleeve t-shirts over here in striped and in grey. They're from Marks and Spencer's. I don't know whether this is, I don't know who to say. Oh, you know who got these? Probably Tasneem Chachi's sister. Because I remember I think she did give me a bag. I remember that. I think this is from her. Yeah. Thank you, Zimasi.
But if it's not,
No, it is. It has to be. Because that's the only explanation. I haven't missed anyone else.
the best thing is the boat.
The best thing is the bird? Okay. Oh, he's coming down. Good thing we're at the last part of this video. Because, hello, you think we would have got through everything Shanti mein like this? He's a mastikhor.
Papa.
Rafito.
Hey, checkers.
Hi, Baba. These are all your gifts. Come here. You can open the last one yourself. Hi. Mama, you want to say hi in the video? You want to just wave your hand? The mic is on us, yeah. Hey. You can see the last set of gifts before you. Ah. Ah. Ah.
All this is yours, bro.
We've got these really adorable pandas that Khalid got for him, which are just so cute, black and white. And then we've got a whole bunch of really nice clothes. When Khalid called me and he was like, I'm buying clothes for him, yada yada. I said, listen, if you're bringing him clothes, my only request is, oh my god, I love this set. My only request is, please don't bring anything under 2 years, because usko kuch fit nahi hoga varna. He has enough clothes for now, and I need to. Sorting sizes for a baby is a
Yeah.
lot of work. I literally get down to doing this once every month. So lots of sets over here. Thank you, Khalidi. But wait, I have to give you an insert of the most special gift that Khalid actually got, Rafa. I'm going to insert the B-roll of it over here. It's a beautiful silver coin that has the engravings, embossing actually, of 2 photos of Rafa and Khalid on either side. It is so beautiful, and he calls him Babish, so you can see that he's written Babish's first birthday on the coin. But I thought that was the most thoughtful, sweetest birthday present. Sir, you are very loved, and I hope that one day when you become a big boy, you will be very grateful for all the love.
We are.
We are.
We are.
For sure. So thank you for watching this video and unboxing everything with us. Rumaisa, would you like to say anything before?
Ronaldo is better than Messi.
No. Messi is better than Ronaldo. 1,000 times. In every lifetime. Messi is better than Ronaldo.
That really wasn't the point of me asking her if she'd
Okay,
like to say
either
something.
Ronaldo is better than Messi, or
Guys, this is not for this video.
your gift.
Thank you for watching. I love you. Please subscribe before you go. Lots of vlogs coming up. I have so many things happening this year, inshallah, that I will make sure to document and share with you. This Tufan mail is getting into the spirit, so we're going to go do this now. And I have to sort everything out as well. Mwah. Thank you for watching. I love you. We love you. Bye.
bye. Right on cue.
Love the timing.